3, 2, 1. Good day everyone and welcome to the Weather Center. Eventful weather continues this Tuesday across much of South Africa. We are going to stay with isolated to scattered thunderstorms across much of eastern South Africa. The southern areas will see isolated to scattered rain showers extending from the Eastern Cape into the Western Cape and spilling into the southern and western sections of the Northern Cape in the afternoon. It's also going to be pretty breezy over parts of the south and the east coast. Snowfalls are going to continue for the northeastern parts of the Eastern Cape. We have a warning for heavy rains in the areas highlighted by the shades of red across the southwestern parts of the Western Cape and over parts of the east coast and the adjacent interior. A warning is also in place for severe thunderstorms over the northeastern areas for parts of the Free State, the northwest and much of Gauteng. Now we are expecting between a 60 and 80% chance of rain and thunderstorms across the eastern parts of the Eastern Cape, much of KwaZulu-Natal and parts of northeastern South Africa. A similar chance of precipitation is forecast for the western parts of the country. The chance of rain and thunder showers decreases where you see the lighter shades of blue, and we are still expecting snowfalls for the northeastern parts of the Eastern Cape. Here's a look at top temperatures. Mahikeng and Vryburg will peak at around 16 degrees. The same for Polokwane, a bit cooler, in Pretoria and Mbombela should reach a high of around 18 degrees. It's going to stay pretty chilly around Bethlehem with a high of just 9 degrees. A bit warmer as we go towards the western parts of the Free State. Highs in the mid-teens are forecast for the southern parts of the Eastern Cape. We are expecting fresh to strong northeasterlies between Richards Bay and Port St. John's. Lighter winds as we go towards East London and Port Elizabeth. A high of 21 is forecast around Durban. We are going to see temperatures warming up a touch over the southern interior, lying mostly in the mid to upper teens for most areas. A high of 17 is forecast for Vredendal. It's going to be warmer as we go towards the south coast, where temperatures are going to push into the upper teens for most areas. Chilly, however, along the southwest coastline, where a high of 13 is forecast for Hermanus. We are going to stay with cold temperatures across much of the Northern Cape. Sutherland will manage a high of just around 7 degrees, a bit warmer for the northeastern areas, Appington and Kimberley making it to around 15 degrees. Fresh to strong southeasterlies are forecast between Cape Town and Langebaan. Light northwesterlies for Alexander Bay with a high of 15. Colder for Langebaan and Cape Town, both peaking at around 13 degrees. Here's looking ahead to your Wednesday. Isolated showers are forecast over KwaZulu-Natal, Mpumalanga and Limpopo. It's going to stay wet over western South Africa, dry for the central parts of the country.